Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, Standard 6 English Medium, Unit 6. The name of the chapter is Who I Am. Okay, I have completed the part 1 and part 2. Now comes to the MCQs, explanation of MCQs. Okay, so here are the MCQs. The first MCQ is the speaker of these lines is, okay, the speaker, who is the speaker of these lines? Which lines? This, the paragraph, okay, these lines. My mother tells me it is not sensible for girls to climb trees. Okay, talk about the girls and not to climb tree. So who is the speaker here? Who is the first character? So who? Radha is the first character. So the answer is A, Radha. The speaker loves to, here the speaker means the character here. Who loves to? Loves to who and what? The speaker means Radha. Radha loves to what? Be with her mother, climb trees, eating mangoes or eating guavas. So here see, said that talking and eating rank mangoes means climb up to. Climb means climbing trees. Okay, Radha loves to means the speaker loves to climb trees. The next MCQ is, now the third, the mother wanted her daughter not to. Radha's mother wanted Radha not to what? Not to eat guavas, eat mangoes, climb trees or talk much. So Radha's mother doesn't want Radha to climb trees. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Number 4. When the speaker is high up on a tree, she feels. When he reaches the top of the tree, higher place on the tree, so she feels what? She feels powerful. Not proud, not happy, not humble, but powerful. Now number 5. The noun form of sensible, the word here given the sensible. What is the noun form of that word? Sensible. Sense, senseless, sensus or sensual. Okay, so the noun form of sensible is senseless. What? Senseless. That is the correct answer. Now comes to next. Here given the paragraph. The speaker of this passage is given. The speaker, Radha, Nasir, Rohit or Sarbjit. The second character, Radha's character already is said in the first MCQs 1 to 5. Now comes to the second. So who is the speaker here? The second character is Nasir. So Nasir is here speaker. Okay, collect the seeds. Which seeds? Seeds of plants. Okay. Now second, the speaker's grandfather was a farmer, seed collector, planter or gardener. So the speaker means Nasir's father. Nasir's father was who? Nasir's father was a farmer. So his grandfather was also a farmer. Okay, option A is the correct answer, farmer. Now comes to the number 3. The speaker is resentful that his family. The speaker is resentful that his family. Options: is of farmer, is poor, spends on seeds or preserved seeds. So the speaker means here the Nasir is resentful that his family spends on seeds. Okay, his family. His grandfather told about how to preserve the seeds and use afterwards. But here the speaker is resentful that his family what? Spends on seeds, lot of money, spends lot of money on seeds. Okay, number 4. Number 4 is the speaker wants to. The speaker means the Nasir wants to what? Be like his grandfather, spends on seeds, on much or learn to preserve seeds. So the Nasir wanted to learn to preserve seeds. Okay, as his grandfather told. Okay, the word which means opposite of preserve. Preserve means to store. So Not to store means destroy. Destroy is the opposite word. Okay, now comes to next MCQs. Here, the speaker of the above line. Okay, the speaker. These lines are given. Okay, so who now comes to the third character. So Radha and Nasir is already had done. Now comes to the third character is Sarbjit. Sarbjit. Okay, talk about teacher. My teacher. See, sorry for the test even. I have got bad marks. They all look at me as if they think I am telling lies. Okay, do not believe himself. Okay, whenever he told about truth, the opponent person doesn't believe that he was telling truth. Okay, the Sarbjit. Now the speaker's mood. Speaker's mood is what? Angry. Why? Because if somebody not believe about him, that time he became angry. Comes to number third. The speaker's complaint is that the people are bad, do not trust him, are foolish or hate him. So the people do not trust him. That is why he became angry. Okay. Comes to number 4. The speaker counts to 10 to. Counts to 10 to what? Control his temper, remember something, learn counting or attack. So the speaker counts to 10 to 1 to 10. Why? Because he control his anger, temper. Okay, when he became angry, he count from 1 to 10. Okay, now number 5, the noun form of tell is what? The noun form is tell, telling, tell or told. So the verb, participle, and this C is the correct answer, tell. Okay, the noun form. Then next, okay, here is given also a paragraph. Now I grow up. The speaker of these lines is Radha, Sarbjit, Rohit or Dolma. Okay. Now talk about who going to Prime Minister of India. I always laugh when I say that, but I am sure that I will do it. Want to become that Prime Minister. Okay, who? That Dolma. Okay, that is the correct answer. The speaker of these lines is Dolma. The speaker of the lines is what? About angry, sad, ambitious or proud. So ambitious, very ambitious person to become. Okay. Now comes to number 3. The teachers consider the speaker intelligent, reliable, hardworking or patient. So the teacher consider that the speaker is very reliable. Comes to number 4. The speaker is sure to be what? That want to be a prime minister. That was the what points? That was be a good leader. Okay, sure to be one day he became or she will be a good leader. Number 4 is completed. Now comes to number 5. The noun form of do. Do is what? Did, doing, done or did. So do is the noun form is this did. Option D is the correct answer. Now comes to next. Okay, here given the MCQ. All the people on earth are what? Good, honest, interesting or God fearing. Okay, all the people on earth are good, honest, interesting or God fearing. So answer is interesting. What? Interesting. Comes to next. Radha's favorite activity was reading books, climbing tree, collecting stamps or polishing shoes. This second one is the correct answer. Radha's favorite activity to climb the trees, and her mother always opponent her, tell her that not to climb trees. Okay, the second one is correct answer. Now comes to number 3. Nasir wants to learns what? How to preserve seed. That was his grandfather told. Okay, how to preserve seeds. Number 1. Then comes to number 4. Rohit loves to travel to places like. Places like what? Places like here options are given: Kashmir, Antarctica, Pyramids of Egypt, or Singapore. So out of these 4, the second one, Pyramids of Egypt, is the correct answer. Number 5. Talk about Sarbjit's parents blame him. Blame him about what? For cheating them, for not being obedient, for having started the fight, or for disobedience. So that was the for having started the fight. Okay. Sarbjit's parents blame him. Who started the fight? Her younger brother. But Sarbjit's parents said that you started first. That is the correct answer. Now comes to number 6. Dolma believed that she can make a true friend, a sports stars, a good prime minister, or a mathematician. So the correct answer is a good prime minister, leader. Okay, Dolma became a prime minister, a good leader. Now comes to number 7. The phrasal verb dive down means take a dip, drive down, dive low, or go down. So the 7th is the first. Take a dip is the correct answer. Now comes to number last. Radha's mother could rule the world. Rule the world easily, wisely, false, or perfectly. That is the sentence here given. Radha's mother could rule the world. That correct or this? I said this is the false statement. Okay, false one. Second is the correct answer. Okay, so friends, these are the first part. Now comes to the second part. Howard Gardner has propounded. Options are given: the theory of relativity, okay, the Pythagoras theorem, the theory of multiple intelligence. Here given the Gardner has propounded. So the third is the correct answer. What? Third. Now comes to number 2. When I enjoy listening to people, it is what? Interpersonal intelligence. Listening, that is the interpersonal intelligence. Comes to number 3. Dancing or physical activity involves in physical intelligence. These two, dancing and physical activity involves in physical intelligence. Then comes to number 4. Visual intelligence implies one enjoy movies. Okay, not one loves music or hurdles with board. Okay, handles or sees better. So first one is the correct answer. Now comes to number 5. Talk about the verbal intelligence means. So what verbal intelligence means? You think in word verbally. Okay, think about the words. Comes to number 6. You can become an accountant if you like calculation. If you know about the calculation, you like the calculation, you will be a accountant. You will be an accountant. Now comes to number 7. Multiple intelligence will work. Multiple intelligence will work. Work what? Work if you are an all-rounder. Then you multiply intelligence will work. Okay, your. Now number last. An architect's job is what? Architect's job is to plan the design of a building. Okay, to plan about the building's design. Okay, so these are the MCQs of Unit 6, Who I Am. I hope you understand about these MCQs and chapters also. Thank you for listening me.